Hello everyone. So this is gonna be the best ever unboxing. So I'm gonna be unboxing the mighty Galaxy Note 9 in 2019. Still the best phone ever up till now. In the glorious scenery and setting ever. So I'm gonna be taking a dump and I'm gonna be unboxing this while sitting on the throne. Look at it. How gorgeous that is. I'm just out of question. I never really realized I like watching reviews, but I never really understood the thing with the unboxings. So since I bought this today, I reckon I'm gonna be a pioneer, and you know, it's quite interesting having a look at an unboxing video while the guy is taking a dump. Look at how gorgeous those boxes are. Look at it. Nearly as nice as the Galaxy Note 9. So, here we go. So, like everybody likes to say, oh, it's beautifully wrapped in cling film, or this thing that you put on trays for food or something. So let's go. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna try and do this video without any edits, so you can see what the reality is, and next time you buy a phone you can just do the same. So look at it. Did you not have one of those when you were in high school? Of course you had. Best thing ever. I've had this one since I was 16. I'm not going to tell you my age, but it's a beautiful one. I'm going to be 27 for the rest of my life. There you go. So, let's do that. So the title should not be Unboxing Galaxy Note 9 while having a dump. It should be Unboxing Galaxy Note 9 while having a dump, and only with one hand. Bam. That's it. Oh, the plastic is really good. When you touch it, it's really nice. Feels luxury. Look at it. And now, look. Smooth. I think I'm gonna use it as my pillow. It's not, because it's so nice. I'm gonna use it as my pillow. Oh. Then push it. Once again. Look, there's nothing inside. Oh, but it's got this lovely font and this like satin paper. Oh, and now look, look at that. That's as gorgeous as it gets. Now here, what do you get? What do they say here? Something, oh, color and the serial number. European SIM card only. Now back to the one-hand trick. There you go. Bam. That's it. That's it. Oh, it's got this like, oh no, it's not. I thought he had this like magnetic type thing, but no. So it's a shame that this phone of mine isn't that great to film, but
a few moments later,
lost any storage space that I had left. So hang on, what's here? Oh, I know, it's that metal bit to take this, to put the SIM card in. Yeah, eject pin or whatever they call it. There's something more inside. Books. Better than the Bible, or than the Quran, or any religion you might like. Look at it. How nice that is. In my hand it's great. When I see videos it's not that great in the hands of others. So, what's this? Nothing. A tray. So what else have we got here? USB-C, AKG headphones, should be really good those, even though I don't like this type of ear. Oh no, hang on, I'm lying. Those are really nice and really comfortable. I'm glad I didn't bought the S10, it's lost its jack input, so that's, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have a read about it. This is the earplugs, spare rubbers, USB connector thing, and the charger. What else? Let's have a look. Nothing else. Yeah. So that's it. Hope you really enjoyed it. How to do an unboxing video while having a shit. Yeah. Stay cool.